Videoing now. Come on, burper.
I'm giving her a good
burper, good. Yeah, I better make sure that people know you're not doing something else there.
This is burping.
Yeah, burper. See
pants on.
That's right. The pants are on. I'm gonna continue. This is totally going on the Walmart website, man.
Is it coming out? Did you get it?
Oh shit!
Is it gone, honey? Is it gone?
Oh, damn.
Oh.
Smile. We got the whole coming out on. Oh damn, that was good. It's still filming.
It's still filming. But it's done now.
Are you sure?